I'm setting up my 8-year-old for success by building him a custom home as his Christmas present. The plan is to rent it out until he turns 18, to put all of that money into a college fund so that he can go to school for marketing debt-free. I'm going to tell you now that I went into this completely blind and I did not Google any sort of plans to follow. I started off by building a base with 2x4 studs and a pre-cut sheet of 1/4-inch plywood. Once I had the base, I built the same size structure as the frame for the back wall. I built the front wall a little bit taller than the back so I would have a slanted roof, or I guess in this case calling it a roof would be a little bit more fitting. Once the frame was figured out, I was able to install some luxury LVP flooring courtesy of my local thrift store. And for the outside of the home, I used a tongue and groove bead pattern cobbin board, nailing them into the frame with my brad nailer. I used my HART reciprocating saw to remove the excess boards so I'd have a clean roof line. I also nailed some PVC corner molding and lattice molding to the door and window frames. And for the exterior, I used a can of Oops paint that I already had. Yes, it's very blue, but that's okay because my son is colorblind, so we're just gonna go with it. Once that was on, I decided the house needed a flower box. Now, he's never kept a plant alive before, so you know I did some dried flowers stuffed into some spray painted green packing foam. For the roof, I used some spray painted polycarbonate panels, and then for the fun part, decorating. Now it's time to surprise my boy with his new investment property. Well, I think it's safe to say that he likes it. I was gonna put this on Airbnb for $69 a night, but I don't know if he's gonna let me. Now let me know in the comments what upgrades I should add. He's requesting an iPod, but I really want to minimize the screen time. Also, don't forget to check out HART tools because this project would have not been possible without them.